2022 GMC Sierra AT4. This BAKFlip MX4 matches with the factory rail bed caps. It's the same matte black finish. It's low profile. You can't even see this cover until you're right up to the truck. It's secure, no one can cut through it. It's loaded for 400 pounds, so if you need to put something on top of here, it's gonna hold it. It's sturdy, keeps water out, keeps the thieves away. It's easy access for everyone. You just grab one cable, and the panels are super light. So you just flip back, and you get that full bed access in seconds. The installation is really quick. It's clamped on, no drillings required. There's factory holes for drain tubes. There's no drilling required for those either. This cover can come off with these twist off clamps and the cover lifts off, or you can also drive with it open with these prop rods. Heavy duty aluminum. You flip it back, you can lock the cover down. It's secure with your tailgate lock. We have these in stock in Phoenix. If you're seeing this from another state, we do shipping nationwide. Contact our store, visit our website, truckaccessplus.com. We're gonna take care of you.